Recently, a politician passed remarks against the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Muslims have expressed their anger at the incident and demanded retribution. When the Prophet was himself insulted during his lifetime, the Quran said to him, "Ignore what they say and counsel them." When people used abusive language, the Prophet did not abuse them back, nor did he confront them with aggression. If someone speaks offensively to you, you can't demand that he be punished. If someone disrespects your Prophet, you can't react by violently damaging property and burning effigies of that person. If someone has hurt your religious sentiments, you can't react by raising angry slogans on the street and pelting stones at people. If we do this, we are doing something non-prophetic in the name of the Prophet. You can't demand that hate be stopped by spreading further hate. This is why the Prophet has said, God does not wipe out evil with evil. God wipes out evil with good. In Islam, abuse of the Prophet or blasphemy does not invite physical punishment, not even an apology.